What is up, guys? It's your boy Logan, and we are back on the Logan Brown Show. And guys, check this out. Look at this. The poppy seeds. They are a growing. They are a growing for realsies. Pretty crazy. This is like day Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 days. 5 of them days. Young Poppy's growing up. He's growing up. He's climbing the poppy ropes. Young Poppy's really out here. I love you, son. If you're new to the channel, I recently planted some Supreme poppy seeds. So every single week, I'll be vlogging these poppy seeds and see how fast and how long it takes for a nice red Supreme flower to bloom for the spring and summer season! Season some poppy seeds in our pot. So to stay updated every single week, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Yes, go down below, hit the subscribe button. Every single week, I post a video every Wednesday, and you'll see the progress of Young Poppy growing up to be a old pop. Young pop, top pop, rolling in with the pop, whipping it up in the cup, yeah, in the cup, yeah. Without further ado, what we have for today, guys, we will be reviewing the Supreme bottle. Yes, from week number 3 of the spring and summer season, guys. One of the accessories that dropped was a Supreme bottle. It was really hyped up. $36 for the bottle. It sold out in about 70 seconds, guys. 70 seconds, this bottle sold out, guys. In the future, I will be dropping how-tos on how to actually organically cop Supreme online, because there's a lot of people that use bots, just programs that they use to help them get Supreme faster and get many different items instead of just one each. Supreme only lets you check out one kind of item at a time. But I'll give you guys this tutorial on how to buy Supreme for yourself today using your phone or your laptop. So stay tuned for that, guys. But without further ado, let's get into this review. Alrighty, guys, here is the Supreme bottle in the Supreme bag right here, guys. So as always, the bottle came in the mail in a white Supreme bag. Yes, guys, I buy all my Supreme online, not for many people. Here's the Supreme bottle. Now, before we get into all this, here in this bag, we have stickers! And that's all that came with it. Here, we have a whole another sticker pack. Guys, yes, go check out my last video right here. My last video, go check that out, and you'll see all these stickers being showcased. Just to give you guys a brief idea of what's in here: the Supreme skull sticker, which is glow in the dark, it's a box logo. Then we have Supreme poppy seeds right here in the front. It says it brings beauty and war sacrifice. Also, we have the chicken dinner sticker and the chair sticker. I'm gonna give away this sticker pack right here along with the poppy seeds. I'm gonna give this away, and all you have to do is like and comment on this video, and I will give this away, guys. Yes, like and comment on this video. I will not open this at all. This will be all you. All you have to do is like and comment on this video, and I will announce the winner on my next video, guys. Here, the moment you guys have been waiting for. Hey, the Supreme water bottle or milk bottle or like soup bottle, whatever you put in your bottles. I just put water or some Gatorade. Supremerade? What if somebody made some Supremerade? I've been waiting a minute, alright, guys? I've been waiting a minute to take this paper off, because I haven't used this bottle at all yet or anything. As you can see, they taped it with these stickers right here. I guess technically these are Supreme stickers. So I can peel these off and sell them. As you can see, just how back in the old English days, how they would wax their envelopes together with that little wax stamp. This is kind of what they're imitating here, but obviously they're just stickers. But let's go ahead and just peel this off. Should I just slide it off and see if it maintains its form? Ah, here it is. The Supreme Sig bottle. It says Sig right here on the top of the cap, S-I-G-G. It's pretty clean, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's all aluminum, I mean, yeah. And so you can now be hyped while you're holding your water, staying hydrated out here. Alright, here's the cap. Alright, untwisted. Swiss made, so this was Swiss made. That's unsanitary. Just kidding, this table's cleaner than your face, boy. As you see in the inside, it's dark. It's a bottle, guys. It's all just metal in there. No other details. They straight up red bottle, fat Supreme, so you just know. Not some little box logo, not in the middle. Just straight, bam, Supreme right then and there. Should I be the man to smash this? Bam. I mean, I like how crisp that logo is. That logo really is crispy, like some Krispy Kreme donuts. Alrighty, guys, that is it. Thank you for watching this review on the Supreme Sig bottle. It's pretty clean, guys. It's pretty clean. Who wants a generic bottle when you have a Supreme bottle? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, I drop videos every single Wednesday. I bring you guys hype. I bring you guys style. So make sure you guys slap the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.